To change active voice into passive voice easy way that just we can see. Active voice and passive voice when we change, subject will change into object, object will change into subject. Here you can see she writes a letter. So when we change into active voice into passive voice, a letter is written by her. So subject will change into object, object will change into subject. That means just cross. That only you have to keep in your mind. So then you have to understand when you are changing active voice into passive voice, another trick. All places in the verb you have to use B3 verb only you have to use. B3 form only you have to use. Subject, that means all places you should use the verb B3 form. That is another point you have to note. Next, you can see when you are changing active voice into passive voice. Active voice place you have to see all the tenses. Here we are using this formula. In this formula, for sentence, for tense, actually for tense we cannot use. That means present continuous there, past continuous there, but future continuous tense we cannot convert active voice into passive voice. And another thing, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense we cannot convert the active voice into passive voice. That you should keep in your mind. So that we will not write here because we cannot convert these tenses. Next point you have to note it down. When we change active voice into passive voice, tense formula only we are writing here. So that we will convert into passive voice. So you can see subject plus V1 plus object. So that is a simple tense formula. You can see simple present tense, subject plus V1 plus object. Along with that verb plus S or ES. So in here we are using V1 only we are using in simple present tense. When we change it to past simple, we will instead of V1 we will use V2 form we will use subject plus V2 plus object we will use. But when we are coming to simple future, again we will use V1 only. That means subject plus will or shall plus V1 we have to use in simple future. That you should keep in your mind. You can see we are using subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. That only we are using in future simple. Otherwise simple future. Next, present continuous tense. Subject plus is or am or are or V1 plus ing. That is a present continuous tense. Past continuous tense was or were plus V1 plus ing is a past continuous tense formula. Next, present perfect, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. We will use has B3 only we will use. That you should keep in your mind. B3 only. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect we will use B3 only.